Hello and welcome. Today I am showing a gift I received. And this is again, like last Sunday, from Tracy Metallic. It's another one of her couture designer bags, and I'm so happy to have received this. I'm grateful, and I'd like to share it with you today. So we've got it open now. Look at the beautiful box. I am so impressed with her wrapping, her presentation, her product. I just love it all. So this is a different style box, and it's got nice ribbons to carry. It opens up. Once again, we have the packaging and the write-ups. Look at the beautiful women. Isn't that lovely, all those colors? I've received another, there's two bags here. Okay, let's start off with the satin scarf. So the satin scarf comes in its own little pouch, which is lovely. I love all the extra details. I love things being wrapped up and pretty. Being an image consultant, you can imagine that. I do like image. I like presentation. I like cohesiveness. I like it when your silhouette, your image, your coloring, your communication, your personality, and your lifestyle all come together in one look. So here is this beautiful scarf again. It's got the turtle in the middle. And look at the orange in there, one of my favorite colors. This works so beautifully for my autumn palette. And we have another scarf. Okay, let's hold on for that for a moment. So I'm just going to lift it out to show you. Oh, the second right up. Perfect. Look at that. It's got a beautiful gold sticker on there. We lift that up. We open, unfold. Okay. Let's just do a little tidy up here. Just a moment. All right. So we use the scissors, we open the tape, and this right here and right here. Okay, this is getting really fun. Beautiful dust bag for your handbag. Okay. I mean, look at the care that is taken to make sure that this comes to you looking lovely. Cardboard, lovely. Okay. Look at that. Look at this leather handbag. Oh, this is a beautiful gift. I am so grateful for this. Oh, it's got the tags on it. We're going to take the protective wrapping off the handles. That comes off. Oh my gosh. This is just lovely. So this is a full leather bag. I'm going to take this off now. Look at that. Oh, now I know why there's a second scarf. Hold on. Let's get back to that. The fun never ends. All right. Okay, so this will go on the handbag. All right. Oh, that is just stunning. Stunning. So there are 2 of them. Now, here's the great thing about that. You could tie one wrap. You could wrap and tie one handle. So you would just go around and start, let me go the right way here. Start wrapping like that. And then you could just wrap your little scarf all the way around and do it like that. Now this changes the look of the bag, but it also protects the leather handles and keeps the handles lasting longer, because what happens is there's hand cream on your hands, there's body oils, and then you could just get to the other side and do that. Pretty great for a quick wrap. But you can see how that works. And then you could do the other handle exactly the same. That's lovely. Opening up the bag, there's a nice long handle there. And it's all stuffed, and it's got a beautiful colored lining that goes with this motif. I can't tell you how happy I am with the products I've received. You know, if you just, I've even seen with different scarves that they'll go and they'll wrap this around their wrist. So, a little trickier, but you can even change up your look and wear your little scarves with more interesting effect by just maybe even tying it on your wrist as a hand or wrist decoration. But this is a lovely bag. I am so happy. It's in my coloring, goes with everything, and it's got just that great look. I hope you enjoyed this, and stay tuned for more ideas. Thank you for joining me. I'm Sitnogama. Welcome. Have a great day. Light and love to all. Thank you.